welcome back to session 3. I'm going to try and improve on my lap times from last time and topping it out, but I can't see it, but we'll give it a good go. I'm in car number 34, which is Mal Brown. I'm going to try not to talk as much this time and give you a little bit of rest from my dulcet tones. And I'll play a little bit of music for you. Enjoy. To catch up with a gaggle of drivers here, 3 or 4 in front of us. See if I can get through these. Oh, we've got one spun round already, so that's one out the way. Back to the yellow flags. Going to hold us up, I suppose. It's ruined that lap. And probably looks the things it's going to ruin the next lap as well, because it's already on the yellow flags. Oh, bit of maybe a bit of whoop in there by the yellow car in front. Let's see if we can dispatch these two quite easily. Stuck behind the black driver first. Let's catch him up on the brakes into there. Nip up the inside, but is he going to let me through? Yeah, very gently of him. Thank you very much. A bit wide on the exit there. I'm going down the ramp, and he's a little bit arsey going into the corners. Has a look round, see if I'm there. He's very observant, that one. If you give him that, he has a look round. Still there, still not quite with him. Dive up the inside on the exit. Oh, bang into him because he turned into me a little bit. But he does let me pass, so that's really good of him. Thank you very much. Can't fault you there. And let's back on it and see what we can catch up in the future. In the meantime, enjoy some music. for the final few minutes of the session. Managed a 32.962, which will do. It's one of the 33s, can't really argue with that. Catching a few drivers up now. I think Mad Toto's in front. He's a fair bit quicker than me. He's got past me relatively easily. Just pulled away from me. So yeah, we'll see what we could do for the last few minutes, the last few laps. On my own for now. Well, not an amazing lap, 33.402 there, but down 3.58 seconds. Hope you like the new graphics on there. There's a little bit of insight into what happens and shows how inconsistent I am, if nothing else. But yeah, kind of catching the one up in front. Hopefully we do catch them up and have a bit more of a race going on, which you can see nice and tight on there to the corners. I enjoy my karting. I'm not best at it. There's lads who are much faster than me, but I enjoy it, and it's a good social part to it now. There we go, a little bit faster lap there. Good social part to it now, which I enjoy. A good laugh with the lads, and just keep doing it while I enjoy it. Getting a bit too old for it. Probably 20 years ago, I've probably been much better at it. But 20 years ago, I was racing a stock car and making a fool of myself in that instead. So, all good fun. I think sometimes I do forget that I'm not in a stock car and a little bit too happy with the bumper, but I am improving over time. Let's see if we can be a little bit more forgiving with other drivers around me. But yeah, we shall see. Yeah, we're catching up with these a little bit now. We'll soon be upon them. And then we go back down the ramp. There's not 3 cars ahead of me enjoying themselves, having a good little battle away. One overtakes another one in front. There's Phil. I always get stuck behind Phil. Phil's really difficult to overtake, quick enough for me to be difficult, to make it difficult for me to overtake. Oh wow, banging off the inner barrier there. I'm not quite sure what that was about. That's cost me a bit of time. Actually, no, it is Mad Toto. He's been stalking me for a while, and I think that made me move over and realise that I wasn't quick enough for him. He's going to disappear off into the distance now. There he goes. Can't keep up with that lad, much as I try. But yeah, we'll keep trying, keep going. See if we can do anything better than we have been doing. The lap times a little bit short of what I did in the last session. I don't think I'm going to top it this time. It's 34.385. That's much slower than normal. Yeah, that's a second and a half. So yeah, that's not very good, is it? Mad Toto's past Phil there. I'm stuck behind him. He's racing his own race, enjoying himself. So let's see if I can. He's always a little bit. Oh, sorry, Phil, bouncing off the back of you once again. At least he knows I'm there, I suppose. But yeah, let's see if we can dive up the inside this time and make it stick. Well, running out of room. He's seen me though. Fair play, I give him a wave. Fair play to Phil, he's let me past. Thank you very much. I don't think I can keep on the coattails of Mad Toto. Whether I can catch up with one behind or not, one in front of him I should say, or not, I don't know. But we'll give it a go. On the last couple of minutes now, so maybe I have 4 laps left, something like that. 3 or 4 carts up ahead. A little bit tight there. I have to correct myself. So I'm not driving my best. I suppose it comes at the end of the evening. I've been work all day, tired, many excuses. That's my excuse anyway. Oh no, 3.33.036, which is not far off my best time of the night, so can't really argue too much. Oh, wide into there, coming out there again. Not again, a little bit sloppy, but give it a go. Keep it tight there. Tight on that one as well. So another spinner, but he's managed to keep going again. And with these electric carts, you've got so much torque, we're thrown back up to speed again. So any mistakes, you can soon get back onto it again. A little tap there, he just ignores that, which is fair enough. Trying to keep behind him through that twisted section there. A little bit inside, no, not going to go up the ramp. Oh, we caught him up at the top of the ramp, which of course means he's going to go faster down the ramp, which is always the case. See if we can catch up to him back into that bottom bend there. Yeah, we do. Oh, don't run into him this time, so it's all good. Trying not to run into, like I said, there's a stock car driver in me still, but I'm trying not to do things like that. See what we could do. I'm all over him like a cheap suit. 34-second lap time, so he's clearly holding me up at this point, but he's not doing anything wrong. Try and dive up the inside, up the ramp. Can we do it? Can we do it? No, he's cut across my nose at the exit, so there's not a lot I can do about that. Just gonna have to sit out and wait. Oh, there's a good hit. Oh, sorry. There we go. Wasn't meant for. There we go. Enjoy the racing. Thank you very much for watching.